We know that a ruling has been made as we sit here today in Malava, in the Malava by-election. Again, the last beacon of hope is our judiciary. We don't want to see what has happened in Malava today. Pressure. Wewe judge, usipofanya hii, utaenda nyumbani. We also want to see, because our brother Chief Justice Maraga left at least a proud legacy. We would want to see what happened in Malava. We all know they didn't win. UDA did not win in Murdikir. UDA did not win in Mbeere North. And UDA were defeated. We are going to employ a different strategy. Al-Kalau tutawashinde in round one, not even round one, kabla hata saa 10. Lakini tunawapa hakikisho jinsi tunavyoweza. Tutashikamana pamoja. Some of us have the history of saying so and so is better than me. We can't all be the same. And I think what we stress here is the team and the trim and the team and the team. Our brother Maraga, you'll not be moving along with us. Sasa njoo tusonge. When William Ruto came to Kisii, alisema kwamba atawapatieni vijana under something nyota. Vijana ambao walifanya application, Fred, you may not know, were 4,700. Wale walifanikiwa ni 280. Na mnajua hiyo ni program ya World Bank. Bribery right through. What we must do, fellow Kenyans, is to make sure between now and the next August, not this one, in 2027, we will not allow William Ruto room to manipulate. We've come a long way. We should not give up. We are nearly there. We are nearly there for the sake of this country, to deliver real change and to deliver a nation that is going to stand together. A democratic state, not a monarchy, as Jim has reminded us. Mama, in her final moments, has brought this country together. Linda Mwananchi, United Alternative Government. We have also listened. My brother, former CJ Maraga, and it is clear as can be, that the time for change is now. It is clear that William Ruto is going to be one term. We are saying no to the divestiture of 15% shares in Safaricom. We need men and women who are brave, who are able to brave whatever challenge to be able to save and deliver this nation. Senator endelea na msimamo huo, and we are together.